Alright, I have a Dewalt 744 table saw here. I'm trying to get the blade square with the miter slot. And I can use my calipers here. And on this side, it's going to be off by a 1/16 or so. And I can't seem to find anything, any adjustments. Certainly not an easy one. I'm gonna flip this thing over, and we have these two brackets here, or that bracket. So you can undo these two screws and this little bracket comes off, but then this part is still solidly mounted in there. And same thing here, we have these two guys. There's a little bracket pressure plate here. When you screw that down, it holds it in, but it's still stuck in place. The only other thing I can think of, and I wanted to move this whole piece, you know, well, yeah, that way, this way, and there's some screws down in here. And that's all I can think of. So anyway, if someone has some suggestions on getting that blade square with the miter slot, that'd be wonderful.